Hello, teachers. As we all are in trouble in this pandemic COVID 19, and we teachers had to switch over from regular teaching to online teaching. And assessment is a very, very crucial part of this teaching learning process. Now, I'm going to tell you how we can check the sheets online. I'm using a mobile here. So that's not a problem that you can't use a mobile and check the sheets. See, I've taken a sheet of the student's copy. Now I'll show you its details. What type of image is it? Details you can see, you can read. It's a JPG image. It's an image. In the second last line, you can read WhatsApp image. Fine. Now how you can check? There are two ways to check the sheet. First is at the bottom you see the pen over here. Just click over this tool. You see so many tools again here. Scroll them from right to left. Then the first tool on the right hand side, see there's a pen. Click on it. Now see the pens are here. The first one is already selected. We need red pen only. Fine. Now I'll be using this pen to check it. I can give the marks also. You can stretch to read it properly. Then again back to the image, and you can reset also. Again the same thing. I'll repeat the process. You have checked the red colored pen here, and by mistake if you have given some wrong marks, you can erase them also. Eraser is also given to you like this. Fine. So this was the one type, the checking of the papers. Other type is, I'll tell you how we can do it. I'll take some other page. Suppose I've taken this page. Again, I'll show you the details of the page. Again, it's a WhatsApp image. You can read it very well. Fine. Now for this thing, I'm going to use PDF. I want to convert it. Don't worry, you need not have a PDF converter in your mobile. How you are going to do it, I'll let you know. The fourth option is here, print. Click on it. Now I see a circle, yellow color field with PDF written over it. Just click on that. Now at the bottom you see a option is given to you. That is a save option. Click on it. It has been saved. I'll take you my internal storage where you will be able to see is it saved or not. See in my internal storage. See the last image. It is written over here .pdf. Okay, I'll click on over it. Now it is opening with PDF. Now it is a PDF file. It has been converted without any software, mind you. Now I can check it again. You see a pen over here at the bottom on the right side. Click on it. Now you can use PDF viewer, OneDrive. Click on it. Now we are going to check the sheet. Again use the pen given at the bottom. I'm clicking it. Now see the pen is there, eraser is there. Of course we will be using red pen here. See, I'm going to use like this. And if you think you want to erase something, use the eraser like this with your finger or with your thumb. Fine. Now after that you have completed your work. You can save it with you clicking on the done on the top on the left side, blue color, done. Just click on it. It is done. Now teachers, in this way you can save the files with you or send them back to the students after checking them. Thank you.